put together. It's actually going to go onto a CNC router machine. At the moment, I'm still developing the firmware for it, but I thought I would share some of that with you. What I've done here is having a known number of steps in basically a square pattern. Well, first it's homing. If you can see, it's going up to where there's a optical sensor and then stopping. And there we go. Now we'll execute a square pattern of a known number of steps in each direction. And what you can do is measure the distance that it's moving in the X and the Y planes. Make sure, for one, that they're identical. And then you can save a scaling value into the firmware, which I did. In this case, it's very close to 1 inch and 11/16. So that's like 1.688 inches, or 1,688 thousandths of an inch. So I'm going to use thousandths of an inch as the basic measurement unit. I'll just convert to steps in firmware. But as you can see, this is one of the steps you would take in the process. Now here's the microcontroller board. This is the microcontroller. This is the stepper driver. This is the power supply for the steppers. The CPU is being powered by actually a USB connector here. This USB cable. And the PC is not actually running anything right now. It's just being used for development and firmware downloading. But yep. So this is the first actual successful movement that the machine's done, and still needs some work, but this is what I have right now.